Let's go!
This is the Ultimate Jamaica Review Part 3. Welcome back to the Ultimate Jamaica Review. This is the third and final part of the review where we will answer the question, what is a must-see when you're planning a trip to Jamaica?
If you have seen our previous vlogs, you already know that we have spent quite a while in Jamaica and have experienced this beautiful country in the Caribbean in many different ways.
And if you have not seen our vlogs, or if you have seen our vlogs, but you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video.
Again, this is part 3 of the Ultimate Jamaica Review. If you want to see part 1 or part 2, you can watch the entire playlist right here.
And with that said, we want to jump straight into our Ultimate Jamaica Review to answer the question, what is a must-see?
There's so much to see and there are so many attractions you don't want to miss that here are our top 5 recommendations you don't want to miss when visiting Jamaica.
Number 5, Long Bay Beach. We had the pleasure of staying at Long Bay Beach for a few days, connected with some of the locals, and we had a great time, including a very delicious lunch on the beach.
Number 4, Somerset Falls. Somerset Falls is just amazing. The clear, cold waters of Daniels River, the walking distance to the ocean, and the famous seafood spot Lickle Porty right around the corner makes this attraction our recommendation for a wonderful and adventurous full-day trip. But see yourself, just watch our waterfalls and seafood video, which we're putting right here.
Number 3, Rio Grande. Exploring the Rio Grande was very relaxing and the clear water was refreshing. The ride on the bamboo raft was very smooth and surprisingly very stable when you think that you're being held up by just a few branches. But see for yourself when watching this video, there are some tips for your safe arrival included.
Number 2, Wyeth Falls. There are so many beautiful natural attractions in Jamaica and Wyeth Falls is certainly one we want to recommend. It is just stunning, but unfortunately we lost most of our footage of the day we visited. But for this Ultimate Jamaica Review, we recovered a few clips. Enjoy! This is Wyeth Falls in Jamaica. Let's go! Here. Come here, my love. Let's go. Let's go. Come, I got you. I got you. Come here. Come. Oh, Booski.
Number 1, Pelican Bar in Parity Bay. This is really a bucket list experience and a must-see when you're in Jamaica because this famous bar is located 1 mile off the beach and is sitting on wooden stilts in the middle of the ocean. And if you want to know more, check out our video so you know how to get there.
This was the last part of our Ultimate Jamaica Review video series, so you know before you go. But there's more to come. More videos from New York City, more videos from Jamaica, more videos from Germany, so much more.
So don't forget to subscribe to our channel after this video and hit that notification bell so you're one of the first to know when the new video drops. And let us know in the comment section below, what is your favorite location of the 5 places that we mentioned.
See you in the next video.
Auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Later.